It's a study in contrast. While Pakistan exports violence to push its agenda, India has found strength in the religion of peace. Buddhism has proved to be a powerful tool to connect with the neighborhood. Prime Minister Modi made the first moves in this direction when he visited Sri Lanka last year. On the occasion of Buddha Purnima, or the birth anniversary of Lord Buddha today, New Delhi is taking the next steps in Buddhism diplomacy, an idea that finds resonance in East and Southeast Asia. This report telling you more.
The world is celebrating the birth of Gautam Buddha, the founder of Buddhism. To mark this auspicious day, the Indian government has sent most revered relics from Sarnath to Buddhist-majority Sri Lanka for a public display. This is the second time that the Indian government has taken an initiative to exhibit sacred relics of Lord Buddha in Sri Lanka. The first such step was taken back in 2012. The move highlights the shared Buddhist heritage of India and Sri Lanka and the spiritual bond between the two countries. In his monthly address, Prime Minister Modi said that his government is taking measures to develop infrastructure for Buddhist tourism. This will connect Southeast Asia to the important Buddhist sites in the country.
हम बुद्धिस्ट टूरिज्म के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर विकसित कर रहे हैं, जो दक्षिण पूर्व एशिया के महत्वपूर्ण स्थानों को भारत के खास बौद्ध स्थलों के साथ जोड़ता है। मुझे इस बात की भी अत्यंत प्रसन्नता है कि भारत सरकार कई बौद्ध मंदिरों के पुनरुद्धार कार्यों में भागीदार है। इसमें म्यांमार में बागान में सदियों पुराना वैभवशाली आनंदा मंदिर भी सम्मिलित है।
India is home to 7 of the 8 most significant Buddhist sites in the world. Yet, it receives less than 1% of global Buddhist tourism. Prime Minister Modi has been emphasizing on Buddhism as a great link that connects India's Asian neighborhood. Some experts believe that Prime Minister Modi's Buddhist diplomacy is an attempt by India to emerge as a soft power, since the Buddhist faith emphasizes on peaceful coexistence and has a huge presence in Asia. Even though India has a relatively small Buddhist population, it is giving a big boost to Buddhist circuits for a number of reasons. Firstly, for historic reasons, since Buddhism originated in India. Secondly, India has numerous sites of importance for Buddhism such as Bodh Gaya, Sarnath and Nalanda. Another reason is that India has been home to the Dalai Lama and the Tibetan Parliament in exile. Prime Minister Modi has been successfully leveraging these associations with other Buddhist countries, which has an impact on not just cultural diplomacy but foreign policy as well. Bureau Report, WION.